Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. How to remove downloaded videos on YouTube app. Open YouTube app on your device. Log into your YouTube account if you are not already logged in. Tap on your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the page. Scroll down. Tap on Downloads. On this page, you can find all the videos that you have downloaded on YouTube. To delete individual downloads, click the three dot icon next to it. Select Delete from Downloads from the pop-up menu. To delete all the downloads at once, click the three dot icon in the top right corner of the page. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Click Delete all downloads. Click Delete again to confirm. As you can see, all the downloads has been deleted. This is how you can remove downloaded videos on YouTube app. Thank you for watching.